Hi everyone, it's Richard and Doug.
Hi everyone.
And we're here in our back bedroom today with some exciting news. Another of our friends has decided to join the party in a few days, and we're so excited. But at the same time, we have to figure out what to do with this room.
Another room in distress. Wish us luck.
As you can see, we really do have our work cut out for us back here. This room has been somewhat neglected. We initially painted the Napoleonic blue up here thinking that it would tie in with the rest of the home nicely, but in retrospect, we really kind of don't like it. It kind of sets off the window oddly, and we will change it. However, we don't have time before our guests arrive, so it will have to stay as is for the moment. What is lovely about this back room is that it does have a double aspect. So we have two nice windows on different walls that bring in the outdoors. And that is really nice. In this corner as well, we have a really nice, comfortable chair that belonged to my great-great-grandmother. And I recall her sitting in it with a needlepoint or something. I mean, I was really young, so I'm not sure, but I do have a memory attached to her in it. We also have this nice sewing table that belonged to my mother. But it's basically an empty canvas. Richard, what do you think? What do you think we can do back here?
I have some ideas.
Richard has some ideas.
Stay tuned. With the wave of our wand, voila.
So as you can see, we actually borrowed a lot of things from other rooms in the home. This mirror, which I love in this room actually with the Napoleonic blue wall behind me, was in our breakfast room. We found another mirror in the tower room to replace it. This chair we kept in the room, and to prevent anyone from sitting on it because of its delicate nature, we put some coffee table books on top and a photo. The bed Richard masterfully put together.
Thank you, thank you.
And we found this in the mess of the tower room as well, which was from our home in Los Angeles. And it was Richard's idea, rather, and I think it looks great there. We changed out the lamp beside the bed for one with a light lampshade in order for our guests to be able to read at night. Throws out more light. And then on my great-grandmother's chair, Mama's chair, we have put a throw and found a nice little throw pillow to put on top and kind of liven that up a little. And then on top of the sewing table, we placed the lamp that was originally beside the bed and threw off horrible light for reading. And finally, we found a home for our zebra. I think it adds a bit of texture in the back room, and we love it. So what do you think, Richard?
I'm very happy with this room. Considering everything that we've used are things that we already own, so I'm very happy. We saved some money yet again. Hooray!
Yeah, creating castle does take time, and it takes time to understand a room and to unwrap boxes and put things in place. Think what might work well here, what might work well there. But I'm really pleased. I think we've made great strides today, and I'm really excited. Looking forward to our guests arriving. It's going to be fun.
It is. I'm looking forward to it as well.
Thanks for following along with us, and Hope there's magic and wonderment in your lives as well. And we look forward to showing you more videos in the future. Take care.